In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the phone version of your site on Google Sites. First, head over to sites.google.com. Then next is open up your site in edit mode. Now head at the top toolbar and look for a preview icon. It looks like this, a laptop with a mobile icon, and click on this to see the mobile version of your site. Now you can see a toolbar that is in the bottom of your page. From here, you can switch from large screen view or tablet mode or even on phone. To switch to mobile view, click on phone. And here you can scroll through the page to check text, images, and spacing. And you can always go back to editing by clicking on the back button or the X button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!